first of all, thank you so much for such a lovely response on my previous video. I'm dietitian Karima from Heal Me Detox, and today I'm going to give you a few dietitian secrets that we use to treat obesity in people. The idea behind sharing this video with you all is for you all to understand the concept of a sustained weight loss. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम एक weight loss regime follow करते हैं, इतनी cravings control करते हैं, we have such a strict diet pattern, but still the weight does not go permanently. It kind of comes back. So this video is going to help you have a little bit of more control over the weight that you lose. For a customized weight loss plan, you can always contact us at Heal Me Detox. So the secret number one is to have no salt for your dinner timings. I understand that salt is a very important psychological factor for us to feel full, but salt is also responsible for water retention, which adds up to 3 to 4 kgs of weight. तो आप salt breakfast में लीजिए, you can take it in your lunch timings, but just control it somewhere on the dinner. Secret number 2 is to change your flour. We are in love with the gehu roti. We have been having it for years. We love the sweetness, the starchiness, the consistency of the rotis. But there are better grain options available in the market which have a comparatively higher nutritional value content. So try to have grains like jawar, bajra, ragi, nachni. These are higher in nutritional content, dietary fiber, and lower in glycemic index, so they'll help you control your weight even better. I'm not telling you to completely cut out on wheat, that will be a little harsh, but definitely give these grains a chance because they love your body much more than wheat does. Some people believe that having multigrain rotis or multigrain breads is comparatively healthier, but an amalgamation of so many grains is confusing for the body. You need to keep your diet healthy and light at the same time, so try to pick a single grain for your flour. Secret number 3 is the ajwain drink or the carom seed drink. You need to put 1 tablespoon of carom seeds and boil it in 5 to 6 glasses of water and consume this water the whole day. Carom seed water works great to burn fat and cellulite. It will also help tightening your skin. If you've not seen my previous video of detox waters, I'll suggest you to have a look at that. I've given a lot of options for detox waters in that as well. The next one would be having curd twice a day. I can't talk enough about how much benefit you can achieve by having curd twice a day in your meals. Curds are rich in probiotics, proteins, and calcium, so having a good immunity level when you're trying to maintain weight is very important. Make sure that the curd that you prepare is at home and from double-toned or skimmed milk, the yellow packets that you get normally in the market. The body tries to store excessive water when it's trying to fight some disease, so try to keep your immunity levels high, which will help you control your weight. My last suggestion to you all would be to completely cut out on oil. You can definitely add a dressing of olive oil, or you can put a dollop of ghee over your dals or your vegetables. Deep frying repeatedly in the same oil adds so much toxicity to whatever food you're eating. So you can grill it, steam it, roast it, probably bake it, but just don't fry it. We're going to be talking about PCOD in my next video, so do stay in touch.